my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about another blockchain collectible video game NFT based application. And you can see here I have the beta version of Top Shot NBA pulled up, and we're going to get into that. But before I do, I want to explain to you guys that one, this isn't beta, so you have to sign up to get access to it. I highly recommend you do because there are some really cool packs and things going on. But they are affiliated or like a subsidiary of Dapper Labs, or maybe they're just sponsored, or I don't know, backed by Dapper Labs. Dapper Labs is the company that brought us CryptoKitties, which shut down the Ethereum blockchain in 2017. But these guys are very innovative. These guys are cutting edge. They know about how to make things accessible, and they have deep pockets, so that's always very helpful. And Top Shot is, my understanding, I think they're the only NFT that is like has like sponsorship or like a collaboration with the NBA to like use their franchise, or to use their logo and to build NFTs for that space. But this is kind of like a digital trading card NFT based application. You got all the different teams on here. Let's see, it says reach for the rim and get your hands on the throwdowns packs that are available. Need to boost your collection from. All right, reach for the sky. Let's see what's going on here. I'm signed in. I have a couple of packs that I've bought, but we go to my collection. See the different moments I have. I'm a huge Thunder fan, obviously. OKC, and it just uploads your moment, your NBA moment. Offers some stats, some player stats, and it's just kind of a fun way to, you know, be involved with NBA and collectibles and digital collectibles. These things are selling very, very fast, and so I'm actually going to, I think I'm going to buy one and walk you guys through an opening. So you see, look, sold out, sold out, sold out, sold out. Everything's just sold out, guys. These things are going fast. Very popular, especially the expensive ones. We're going to buy a throwdown too. Each pack you get 6 moments, 1 throwdown guaranteed. This pack, it kind of gives you the details. This pack contains 9 of the game's most rim-rattling slams. Only 275 of each of these skywalking moments will ever exist. It makes it very dynamic in terms of collecting. All right, and we're going to open this with you guys right now, so let's get into it. You guys can't hear the music, but there's like music playing. It's pretty fun. All right. Al Horford. All right. On to the next one. Couple of commons in here, not nothing to fret about. We're looking for that rare one though. Jason Tatum. Ooh, with the step back. The crossover step back. Jason Tatum does him dirty. My poor guy, Paul George, looking dumb. Another common. We're going to look for that rare one, guys. Oh, what the heck. Hopefully this is it. Hey. Woo. Mitchell Robinson with the nasty one-handed. Did he jump over? Is he? Not over, but very near close. So view your moments. Your progress. Cool. All right. Go to my collection. Yeah, guys, and now they're added, and the collection just keeps growing. And yeah, I think that this is with like sports cars kind of coming back into the mainstream and such. I feel like NBA Top Shot has a chance of like really breaking out at just the right time. And so we're going to end this video here. I just want to be able to highlight another really cool application for you guys, those people who are interested in NFTs and digital collectibles. I think that Top Shot has a chance of making it really big, and they're still in beta, so you can get in early, get some packs, and just sit and wait for other people to start recognizing what's going on in this space. And I don't think you'll be disappointed. See you guys in the next video. Peace.